Got an exam tomorrow? Let's decode the OSI model right now using some awesome anime analogies.
Why 7 layers? It's a universal language, letting totally different systems talk without causing absolute chaos. Created back in 1983, it's basically a theoretical blueprint that maps out complex network communications step by step.
This classic architecture shows exactly how peer entities sync up across these very specific functional layers. Need to memorize it fast? Just remember, please do not throw sausage pizza away from bottom to top. Let's see it in action. Imagine tracking an urgent in-game message between players in Sword Art Online.
Layer 7, Application. It interfaces directly with software, kind of like your character's HUD receiving the actual message.
Down to Layer 6, Presentation. This translates and encrypts your data so rival guilds can't intercept it.
Layer 5, Session. This one steps in to securely establish and manage the connection between players.
Layer 4, Transport. It chops your message into reliable packets so no critical battle stats get dropped. Layer 3 is Network. It slaps on IP addresses, routing packets through the internet's vast digital landscape. Layer 2, Data Link, uses MAC addresses to navigate local networks and fix any pesky link errors. Finally, Layer 1, Physical. It converts everything into electrical signals, zipping right through real-world fiber cables.
Wrapping data with new info at every single layer? That vital process is called encapsulation.
For the exam, you gotta know how specific hardware, IPs, and apps map to these exact layers.
But wait, the modern internet actually runs on the TCP IP model, not OSI. Let's compare the two.
Basically, OSI is a theoretical teaching model, while TCP/IP is the practical framework used globally today. Notice how TCP/IP smashes OSI's top 3 layers into one application layer? Way simpler for real-world use.
Exam cram complete. So, how will you use these 7 layers to troubleshoot your next network crisis?